Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Today I am trying a balloon column for the very first time. I've been wanting to do this project for a very long time, so today is the day that I take a stab at it. I don't know how it's gonna come out. I did watch a couple of tutorials, but you know, when you try something, it don't always come out like the tutorial. So we will see. Please stay tuned. Hey you all, so this is the end result of my balloon column. As you know, I messed up the first time, but I dusted myself off and I tried it again. Like I actually took it all apart and started over. I know practice makes perfect, but I am extremely proud of myself. I will keep trying till I get it right, but I don't think this is too bad for my very first try, okay? So it does stand about 5.5 feet tall, with no support of the wall or a weight on the bottom, just the balloons itself and string. Okay, and I can actually pick it up if I wanted to. As you can see. But yeah, just stay tuned for more. And I know that I'm gonna get better at this, okay? Enjoy your night.